Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's video I am going to show you three brown beautiful birds eggs which are very cute. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I am show you closely. Wow, you can see. Wow, very cute eggs. You wow, three brown eggs of a bird which are very cute. I keep uploading daily bird videos on this channel. Please subscribe to the channel for more like videos. Wow, you can see closely. Wow. Wow. Very cute eggs. You can see. Wow. Viewer, please subscribe to the channel for more like videos. Wow. Very cute eggs. I show you closely again. Just wait for some second. Wow. Viewers, please subscribe the channel and like the video. I request the bird lover that please subscribe my channel for more bird videos. You can see. Wow, very beautiful legs. Wow.